Legends of Learning presents the Farm Day game. This is a science game that makes learning about chemical reactions fun and easy to understand.
Go to the target next to the wheat plantation.
In this informative instructional game, a group of students arrives at a farm and discovers that chemistry and physics are present in everyday activities. Use the mouse to point and click to perform different actions to complete tasks on the farm.
Luckily, the carrots in a line.
Learn more about science as you complete tasks on the farm to help you provide more food and resources for the farm. Learn about chemical processes on the farm that will help the farm operate effectively. Read interesting facts about science as you complete more tasks on the farm. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Great. The three common states of matter on Earth are solid, liquid, and gas. Changes in state are physical.